What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Wise coming at y'all with a day in the life of an 18-year-old construction worker, man. Right now it's about 7:30 right now. I just got done brushing my teeth, put my contacts in, all of that right now. About to put on my uniform right now. This is the fit, man. Check me out. This is the fit. The gray cargos. And don't mind the wrinkles, you know. Your boy don't have no time to really iron anything. But here's the Real Construction LLC. It's actually my dad's company. Check us out, you know, we in the DMV. And then the red construction hat. Then I got my gray Prestos, but yeah, this is the fit right here. Packing my lunch, no. Packing my lunch box right now. Got my little Gatorade, little fruit snacks, peanut butter cracker. Now we're on the way to the job site. It's the man with the plan right here. What's the plan for today?
The plan for today is we're going to actually try to finish up this custom bathroom. We're going to install the standalone tub and the faucet. Paint the walls, put shoe molding down, and that should be pretty much it. It's just doing a little knick-knack stuff to try to wrap it up, and it should be completed today.
Okay, sounds like a plan. Now we at Lowe's, and I don't know what's going on with him. He all lamping. He making sure he work. But we gotta go to Lowe's. We gotta get a water supply line for the faucet, and this thing for the curb or whatever. Shower curb. Yeah.
As long as I got them over there where they were 30s. Do they have 30s?
Now we're on the way back to the job site. It's about like 38 minutes, 40 minutes away. Just arrived at the job site. This is the bathroom so far. All we gotta do is paint, put the shoe molding down, and put the water lines. And then this will be done. Finally.
Plumbing parts so that there's no debris to keep it from keeping the glue from sticking to each other. So basically what it does is it cleans off all of the little particles that may keep it from gluing to each other.
Now we're gonna finally finish the water drains and the plumbing for the sink. There's no leaks, so that means we're all good. Now that we're done with the plumbing, it's on to the painting now. This process is called cutting, which cutting is basically painting and getting in between all the corners of the ceiling, wall, etc. What color is this? It's like a
halation.
It looks great to me.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, basically, yeah. Lunchtime. Just finished all the painting. Next, gonna put in a tub, in the curb. That's it. Now we finally done for today. I'm gonna get a whole video, B-roll with the whole back.